This is a 10-pack of expanding foam packaging bags. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, it would be $29 for the 10-pack, so about $3 per bag. So each of the bags comes individually packaged in a plastic container here. There is a small indication here for ripping, and so you can open them by hand. So they are 14 by 16 in size. And there are two parts, and this is essentially an expanding foam, a two-part expanding foam. And so you have to push down in this area with two hands to break these two parts together. And when you do, liquid is going to come out, and you need to distribute it through the bag and then place the bag in the box and then put whatever you're going to be packaging inside of it. And so you push down only on the A part, you pat back and forth 10 to 20 times, then as it pops out of this into the rest of the bag, you need to kind of spread the foam out. And this is designed specifically for an 8 by 8 by 8 box. So it might work in slightly larger boxes, but if you put it in a much smaller box, it might expand too much. And it will form fit to whatever you're packaging with it. So the advantages here are that it's very small before it's activated, and that it form fits to whatever you're packaging, and so that fit will hold the item in place very securely. Downsides, of course, is that it costs more than something like bubble wrap or foam packing peanuts. Okay, this is supposed to be used on an 8 by 8 by 8 box. I have like an 8 by 10 by 6 box, but I'm packaging something very small, so we're going to see if it works out. So following the directions, we need to wear eye protection. I have those on. Press firmly down on part A, pat back and forth 10 to 20 times. Then this part's going to pop into there. Press all the foam, spread into the whole bag, and then quickly place expanding foam bag into the box. Put your products in the foam bag. Hold the products for a few seconds until the foam sets. Okay. Oh hey, it says put another expanding foam bag in your product, cover the box with top flaps to assist with foam and cushion. So maybe this won't completely fill an 8 by 8 by 8 box. Maybe you need two of these, one on top of each other. Alright, here we go. That broke, going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, the bag's getting bigger. It's warmer. Oh, it just is giant now. Okay, there it goes. We have to spread it throughout the entire bag. It's hot to the touch. There's definitely an exothermic reaction going on. Putting it into the box. Put the device in there. Hold it in. Okay, it's definitely foaming up. My device is coming out a little bit, but that's okay. All right. I think it's mostly done expanding, but it's still very hot to the touch. So it is a little painful. You don't want to leave your hands on it the whole time. It filled that box very well. This device is packaged in there pretty well. I think if I had the item pushed down and was bigger, it would conform to the item shape a little more. But yeah, there is a expanding packing foam. Smell-wise, there's just a faint smell of kind of foamy chemicals. Not bad at all. It's pretty much entirely contained within the bag. The eyeglasses here is just in the occurrence that the thing should pop out of the bag, which would be bad. It would be messy, so you probably don't want to do this any place you care about in the off chance that this outer bag has gotten compromised somehow. So yeah, that conformed pretty well to the shape of what I'm packing, so that worked pretty nicely.